As you can see, we are covered up in deer. Now this is the night after the big storm that came through. It was an early storm, had everything bedded up the night before. The next afternoon it cleared up and the deer were moving everywhere, and it was just a magical night in the field. Hindsight, probably should have taken a shot at one of these animals, but we were hoping for a bigger one that we'd seen on trail camera, and sometimes you win, sometimes you lose.
Sitting in one of our hay bale blinds from Prairie Hunting Blinds, made in South Dakota. See how they work? They've been keeping us fairly warm all winter so far. One thing, the deer definitely don't really mind them. In fact, when I got you today, it appears the deer were actually eating off the blind, which is a little too close, but we're going to give it a try. We've got probably almost 2 hours to sit in it. You never know, it could be a good 2 hours. Not sure what to say. It's been a great day. I wish that everybody could have just experienced the incredible day I had. It was a beautiful day today. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna stand it right in here someplace. Here's my arrow. Still fun to find your arrow. Nothing but beautiful, beautiful blood red. I love it. Shoot the kill zone. Complete pass through. The deer was standing about exactly 27 yards. Beautiful. I love it. And he's about 125 yards straight this way. Ah, that's a gorgeous sight. Doesn't always end up this way. Nice buck. Very nice deer. Wow. That'll
A lot of blood, just what we like. Really nice, heavy 4x4. Little knobs here. Very cool deer. Really cool deer. Gosh, he's got nice mass. Beautiful animal. Wow.
Well, on this next segment, you're going to be joining Jason Wright and his dad, Jim, as they head out for a late season archery hunt.
It's still moving. I think he shot him in the heart. But he's down. What a 27-yard shot. Good shot. Yeah, he's probably 60 yards away. Well, I'll tell you what. We had some does come in earlier, about 4:15, and I kind of messed it up for Dad. I grunted a little bit too loud, and then another doe was coming about a half hour later, and she was getting out there, and I'm just kind of thinking, you gotta take that shot, you gotta shoot. And they were angling off the trail, which I don't know why they were doing that. There's a great trail out here at about 22 yards, and then I looked up and I tried to stop the doe by squeaking, but now that she's 30 yards and he didn't shoot, and I looked over here and there's a buck coming, and so I said, stop, you're gonna shoot the buck. Of course, Dad asked, is it okay? And I said, yes, you're gonna shoot the buck. And it was about, I don't know, between 27 and 30 yards, and to me it looked like he shot it right in the heart. It was a great shot. I got a little excited and didn't quite get it all on camera as it ran. I think it ran into our blind on the other side. It did. But I'm way more excited than I was last Friday. I mean, that was a great day too. Last Friday, Kurt and I were sitting and I shot a really nice 130-inch 4x4. And so it's been a long time since Dad and I have sat together in a blind. So it's pretty awesome.
Well, this has to be a great end to a really, really good year. I had an opportunity to hunt with my son, Jason, right? And we haven't done this for a while. He's, you know, awfully busy with Ultimate Outdoor Adventures television, and I'd like to thank him, and I'd like to thank John Arman for, you know, making the arrangements with the landowner down here, and allowing us to have a great afternoon together. So thanks, John. Thanks, Jason. It was a great, it's been a great end to a really good year.
Crash and everything, but yeah, he's a real cool deer though. Had long main beams and nice brow tines. You can't ask for a better way to end the season.
No, you sure can't.
Wow. You know, like Dad said, a real special thanks to the landowner here and to John and